In this video, you will learn how to install MediaPipe in a Python project in Pycharm IDE. So I have opened the Python project in Pycharm in which I want to install MediaPipe library. Now to install MediaPipe, we will click on this file here. Then go to this new project setup and then we will select this settings for new projects here. Now we will click on this Python interpreter. And from this drop down, we will select the correct Python interpreter for which we want to install MediaPipe. For me, I will select this interpreter which is present inside this Hello World project. Please be cautious while selecting this interpreter here, because if you select the incorrect interpreter, then you won't be able to import the MediaPipe successfully in your Python projects. And as soon as we select this interpreter, we will see all the packages here that are installed for this Python interpreter. Now we will click on this plus icon here, which will open up a new window of available packages. And now to install MediaPipe, we will search for MediaPipe in this search box. Here it is. We will select this and click on install package here. The installation is in progress. It might take some time to install MediaPipe. Once this is installed, we will see this message of successful installation, which is this package MediaPipe installed successfully. Now we can close this window from here, and here we will see multiple packages which are installed just now, and we will also see this MediaPipe here which was not present earlier. Now we will click on OK, which will close this window as well. Now we will verify the installation by importing MediaPipe. And for that we will write some code in an empty Python file, and we will write import MediaPipe. Then we will also print the version of MediaPipe. So for that we will say print and MediaPipe dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. Now to run this particular program, we will right click on this program and click on run hello here. Here we did not get any error, so it means the import was successful. Also in the output we got the version of MediaPipe here. So now we can say that the MediaPipe library is installed properly and we can use this in our Python code now. I hope the video was useful to you.